Welcome to another video where we will show you how you can earn up to $300 a day by watching movies. Today's your lucky day because we have the perfect opportunity for you. Join us now and we'll show you how you can turn your love for movies into a profitable venture. And if you want more useful ideas and techniques like these, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's begin. Picture this. You're watching a movie and suddenly realize its incredible earning potential. That's precisely what this opportunity offers. Are you ready to unlock the ultimate secrets to watching movies and earning big bucks? Look no further. This video will reveal all the tips and tricks you need to know to turn your movie watching hobby into a profitable venture. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to make money doing what you love. Tune in now and start reaping the rewards. Who would have thought lying down watching movies could make you extra cash? Earning money isn't as hard as it was decades ago. Discover an exciting opportunity to earn money by watching movies on various websites. This unique venture allows you to combine your love for cinema with the potential to generate income. By dedicating your time to watching movies on these platforms, you can effortlessly unlock a pathway to earning extra cash. Imagine immersing yourself in a captivating film while earning a substantial income at the same time. It's an ideal setup for movie enthusiasts seeking a fulfilling and financially rewarding experience. By partnering with these websites, you can transform your leisure time into a profitable endeavor. The process is simple. You sign up with reputable websites that offer incentives for watching movies. These platforms provide a vast collection of films ranging from the latest releases to timeless classics. You can then choose the movies that interest you the most, allowing you to explore various genres, directors, and actors while earning money. As you indulge in the cinematic journey, these websites reward you for your active engagement. Depending on the specific platform, they offer compensation through CashRewards, gift cards, or other incentives. The more movies you watch, the more earnings you accumulate, making it a scalable opportunity to increase your income. Moreover, this venture is flexible and adaptable to your schedule. You have the freedom to watch movies at your convenience, whether it's during your spare time, weekends, or evenings. This flexibility enables you to seamlessly integrate this money-making activity into your existing routine without disrupting other commitments. While earning money by watching movies may sound too good to be true, it's important to approach it with a realistic mindset. The income potential may vary depending on several factors, including the number of movies you watch, the platform you choose, and the compensation structure. It's essential to thoroughly research and select reputable websites with a track record of delivering on their promises. In addition to your financial benefits, this endeavor offers an opportunity to enhance your film knowledge and expand your cinematic horizons. You can explore various movies from different cultures, eras, and styles. It's a chance to discover hidden gems, engage in thought-provoking narratives, and appreciate the artistry behind filmmaking. Embarking on this journey rewards you monetarily and deepens your passion for movies. You become part of a community of movie enthusiasts who share recommendations, engage in discussion, and exchange insights. It's an enriching experience that goes beyond the financial aspect, fostering connections and expanding your appreciation for the world of cinema. So, if you're looking for a unique way to earn money while indulging in your love for movies, consider exploring these websites that offer compensation for watching films. Take advantage of this opportunity to transform your movie watching habit into a profitable and enjoyable endeavor. Embrace the magic of cinema while reaping the benefits of earning money at the same time. Step right up and check out some fantastic websites that pay you just for visiting and watching movies. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to earn some extra cash. Take a look at these sample sites and start earning today. Filmtagger.com. Filmtagger.com is a game-changing website that offers an exciting opportunity to turn your love for movies into a lucrative source of income. With Film Tagger, you can now get paid for doing what you enjoy the most: watching movies. Imagine getting rewarded for your movie watching skills and passion. FilmTagger.com makes it possible by providing a user-friendly platform to discover a vast collection of films from various genres and eras. Whether you're a fan of blockbusters, indie films, documentaries, or classics, FilmTagger has something for everyone. The concept is simple. As a FilmTagger member, you will be tasked with providing valuable feedback and insights on the movies you watch. Your expertise and opinions matter, as they contribute to enhancing the movie watching experience for others. By sharing your thoughts, ratings, and reviews, you help build a vibrant community of film enthusiasts while earning money at the same time. FilmTagger.com understands that your time is valuable, so they offer competitive compensation. The more movies you watch and review, the more you can earn. It's a fantastic opportunity to indulge in your passion for cinema while significantly boosting your bank account. Not only does FilmTagger.com provide a rewarding experience for movie enthusiasts, it also fosters a sense of belonging within its community. You can engage in discussions, share recommendations, and connect with like-minded individuals who share your love for the silver screen. Unlock the door to a whole new world of movie watching possibilities. It's time to turn your passion into profit and embark on an exciting journey of earning money while indulging in your favorite films. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Visit FilmTagger.com now and start making money doing what you love. Netflix. Netflix, the world's leading streaming platform, has revolutionized the way we watch movies and television shows. But did you know that you can also turn your Netflix addiction into a rewarding source of income? With Netflix's innovative program, you can make money while enjoying your favorite films and series. Imagine getting paid for your binge-watching sessions and movie marathons. Netflix offers a unique opportunity for dedicated viewers to earn money by providing valuable feedback and recommendations on the content they watch. Your opinions matter, and Netflix recognizes the importance of your insights in shaping the viewing experience for millions of subscribers worldwide. As a member of the Netflix Earning Program, you can explore an extensive library of captivating movies and binge-worthy TV shows across various genres. From gripping dramas to hilarious comedies and thrilling action flicks to thought-provoking documentaries, Netflix has an incredible selection to cater to every taste. Your role as an earner on Netflix involves watching and evaluating the content you indulge in. By sharing your honest reviews, ratings, and recommendations, you contribute to the platform's algorithms and help other viewers discover hidden gems. The more active and engaged you are, the greater your earning potential becomes. Netflix understands the value of your time and commitment, so they offer competitive compensation for your participation. Not only can you satisfy your entertainment cravings, but you can also boost your bank account simultaneously. It's an excellent opportunity to monetize your passion for movies and TV shows. Being a part of the Netflix Earning Program allows you to connect with a vibrant community of fellow viewers, engage in discussions, share your favorite picks, and receive personalized recommendations based on your interests. It's a chance to interact with like-minded individuals who share your enthusiasm for quality entertainment. So why not make the most of your Netflix subscription and transform it into a rewarding experience? Join the Netflix Earning Program today and embark on a journey where your love for movies and shows translates into tangible rewards. Start streaming, earn, and enjoy new entertainment satisfaction with Netflix. Have you ever wondered if your TV watching habits could earn money? With Nielsen, the renowned market research company, your television viewing can become a valuable source of income. Nielsen offers a unique opportunity to make money by sharing your TV preferences and habits. As a participant in the Nielsen Ratings program, you become part of a trusted community that helps shape the television industry. Nielsen collects data on viewership patterns and audience demographics to provide valuable insight to networks, advertisers, and content creators. By joining Nielsen, you play a crucial role in influencing the programming decisions and content offerings on television. The process is simple. Nielsen will provide a specialized device or software that tracks your TV viewing behavior. It captures the shows and channels you watch and the duration of your viewing sessions. Your privacy is highly respected and all data collected is anonymous and secure. By being an active participant, you contribute to the Nielsen ratings, widely recognized as the industry standard for measuring television audiences. Advertisers rely on this data to determine which shows and time slots are most popular, allowing them to make informed decisions about where to allocate their advertising budgets. Your input helps shape the future of television and advertising. As a thank you for participating, Nielsen offers various incentives and rewards. Earn cash, gift cards, or sweepstakes entries for your valuable contributions. The more you engage with the program and provide feedback on the shows you watch, the more opportunities you have to earn rewards. It's an exciting way to make your TV time even more rewarding. So, why not turn your TV time into cash? Join the Nielsen Ratings program today and become an influential voice in the television industry. Share your viewing habits, earn rewards, and make a difference in the shows you love. Embrace the opportunity to have your TV preferences count and enjoy the satisfaction of earning money while doing what you love with Nielsen. The world of online earning holds incredible potential. With the right platforms and strategies, you can transform your leisure time into a valuable resource for generating income. Let the magic of movies pave the way to financial freedom. By diving into this unique opportunity, you get to indulge in your passion for cinema and unlock the possibility of earning income from the comfort of your own home. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video to be beneficial and exciting. Please note that there are numerous opportunities available to earn money online. If you're interested in expanding your knowledge further, we recommend checking out some of our other videos that delve into different methods of making money apart from watching movies. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around and we'll see you in the next one.